Maraguling papel dareng miyayaliwang sektor, bampasiklangan ng pamamya serbisyong medikal kareng Pilipino. Ay ni report.
Pesinayan niya ang PhilHealth Pulse o Promoting Universal Healthcare o UHC through linkages, synergy, and engagement 2025 king Laos Event Center bilang parti ning pamagsumikap na pasiknangan ning pamagpatupad ning Universal Healthcare Law king Central Luzon. Kapag nasaning multi-sectoral town hall meeting IT ing patigikan ning ugnayan at pamisan metong ning PhilHealth kareng miyayaliwang sektor bang apasan tinging access king serbisyong pangkabulasan king rehiyon.
We're putting all important individuals who have a role in promoting universal healthcare in our country is to build a cadre of universal healthcare champions from the different society, no, sectors. Hindi lang kasi ito DOH, hindi lang ito PhilHealth, hindi lang ito local government, kundi lahat ng may kinalaman sa nagpo-promote ng kalusugan ay kailangan magsama-sama.
Kabilang karengapi sabyan kayong aktibidad, ing PhilHealth Financial Management Reporting Enhancement Program ang makatutok king mas masaleseng pamag-report, regular reconciliation kareng transaksyon at pamagsalese king sistema ning benefit claims dareng healthcare providers.
And this the project pala was started here in Region 3 by the Region 3 staffs. And isa pang good news po, ang problema po namin sa government, pasensya na po yung mga taga-government hospitals, palagi po silang late nagsasubmit ng claims. Under the rules, they have 60 days to submit to us. But I am very again happy to report that because of the performance and innovation of PhilHealth Region 3, nababayaran na po namin yung mga late submitted. Also nahanapan ng paraan with the support of the Supreme Court and other our Congress, no? And with the help of our provincial governor, si Nanay Pineda is also very instrumental for the innovations done here in PhilHealth National.
Kinilala ning PhilHealth ing maragulayambag ng Governor Lilia Pineda karas kareng serbisyong medikal.
Tulad ng mental health, actually, that was isa si Nanay sa mga staunch, ang tawag natin nito, guide or siya talaga nag-request sa amin. So ngayon po, meron na po tayong mental health package and we also now are starting to pay eyeglasses for children and even wheelchairs and crutches. So yun po ang good news and later on po may mga bago din tayong innovations. Itong Pulse po, ito yung ina-announce namin yung what's new in PhilHealth. So isa po dyan, emergency transport, ibig sabihin mga ambulances will also be paid very soon.
Pepatibe ning programang iti ing transparency, operational efficiency at partisipasyon dareng stakeholders para king mas mabilis at epektibong serbisyo ning PhilHealth king publiko. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.